Yo, what's up, guys? Attempt 3. So today, attempt 3.
Take 100.
Tape 100. Attempt 3. Let's Jimmy Uso or Cody Rhodes. And Cody Rhodes. Who should we start with first? I hate Jimmy, so let's go with Cody. Attempt number 3. Action. I swear, if this is going to be another attempt, I'm just going to give up. No, I will give up. YouTube. Like, there and there. Sorry it's taking so long. Ow. Owie. Ow. Ow. Why it's hurting me? Why are my hands so sweaty? Okay. Oh man, it ruined the box. The tape, the stupid tape. Oh well. And I was with you. Dude, it comes with the belt. Nightmare, it says. And that's so cool with the pants too. Chest hair! Yes. I don't know why I got so excited about that. About stupid chest hair, but oh well. What? Wow! Okay. Fun fact about this wrestler. I got this wrestler 3 days ago. I was keep reminding myself about making a video. I just couldn't remember. It was either I was too lazy or just couldn't remember, or if it was lazy and couldn't remember. I think it could have been both. Yeah, okay. Okay. Don't have to make a big scene about it. Jeez. Just YouTube. Ready, listen. God dang you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ready, listen. Ready, listen. Dude, it sounds so amazing. Okay. Go. Dude. This hair. Dude, you fit me, dude. Can it fit me? My pinky has hair now. My pinky! Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Jeez, okay. Yeah, that's not funny. Okay. Dang it. Oh, man. That stupid thing. Okay. This is... Ah! That's so creepy. Ah, so creepy. Why is that creepy? Take his shirt off. Oh yeah. But why is that creepy, dude? Why is that creepy? Huh? He's bald. Oh, I know why he has. So, like, this is when his hair is... God damn it. This is when his... Yeah, I know I said it. But this is when his hair is, like, all dry. And this is hair is, like, when he's all, like, all sweaty and stuff. Which is... It just tastes like sweat. Nah. It tastes like paint. I don't know why it tastes like paint, but anyways, okay. Say this, Jay Uso, not Jay, Jimmy Uso, I'll be prepared to get your butt kicked at WrestleMania. Oh. Jumps on him. Okay. Well, that is for today's video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I'm on the road to 400 subscribers, and right now I have 340. So please subscribe, like, comment on my videos. I don't care. Just subscribe and like. See you later today. Yes, maybe today or tomorrow. See ya. I need an outro. What should I do? See ya, fart nugget. No, that's bad.